Howdy everyone. I paid a visit to my salvage yard a couple of weeks ago, and I've got this little 40mm able inox springs, whatever they call them. Keyway is again pretty standard. I have no key for it, obviously, but I tell you what, it's been a beggar of a thing. I haven't been able to pick it yet, so I've come out here this morning, or this afternoon rather, and I'm going to have a go. I've got the UKLS Pickset that came in the post today. If you can read, if I can get that UKLS. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a couple of tensioners and a pry bar. If you can see them, hope so. Got a diamond hook, I don't know what you call that one, and reach diamond, or well, it's not a diamond, it's a ball on the end, half ball, but what I'm going to call it is a deforest. And the Prince and the Princess, this one, 3-peak boggeter and a short hook. Okay, now I'm gonna have a go on this today. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna have to abort that video. I'm gonna put it in the vise because it's a bugger of a thing. I don't know, able, I suppose it's a cheap padlock, but by Jesus, I haven't been able to get it yet, so I'm just going to have a bit of a go. And I'm going to use one of these new picks that I've got. I'm not sure which one to use. I use the short one. Alright, hang on, where are we? Oh, better get it in the frame, I suppose. Okay, here we go. I'm not confident. Take the spring out of the plug and let's have a go. I think it's a oh, that's a bit of a set there, I think. I think it's, I'm not sure if it's a 5 or a 4. Well, I was not happy with picking the able. I was unable to pick it. So we'll do a VINCO instead. VINCO, I think this is from Gary, Keyway. And it's a 5-pinner. If I can tip that over a little bit, you might see that it's a, oh, when I get it, 5-pinner. Yeah, I'm disappointed about that able. Well, I've never been able to pick it yet, so. So, here's the VINCO. Be using the new UKLS Sport tensioner and use the short hook. That's really funny. I'm not using with these sort of things after these. They're a bit hard to, I'm too frightened to break them. Okay, let we go. Put it on the camera there, yes. Okay. One, hang on. I think that's one. Two. Three. Four, I think. And there's nothing on 4, so if I go to 5, five, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can make sure it's get it there. 1, back on 2, 3, 4, and into 5. I don't know what pins are in this, but feels like a spool, but I'm not going to say that because I don't really know what's in it. 5, 4, this is number 3 I think, which might open it. Yes. Alrighty, we got it. After the other failure, we have a success on my new UKLS Sport Picksets. Okay, thanks for watching that. Hooroo.